This is Algebra 1A, Unit 1, and I'm going over slope review. So if I can zoom in, this first graph here is a positive slope. So moving left to right, if it's going up, it is a positive slope. So this means it's positive left to right. And you pick 2 points, so like point A and point B. It even looks like there's a point right here, which is like up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. So the slope is 1. Now, if I look at this slope right here, it's a 0 slope. So moving from left to right, it's not going up any. So that means it's flat. The slope is 0. And they're using the 2 points A and B in the slope intercept formula. So point A is 1, 2, and point B is 5, 2. Notice that the y values are both 2, which is why the slope is 0. So they plugged it into the slope formula, which is y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. So if y1, well, it doesn't matter which order you put them in, just as long as they match up. So if you plug in 2 for y, and on the bottom you want to make sure the x matches up, and then plug in this 2 for y, and then minus 1 there, that's y equals 0. So no slope, flat, kind of like Florida. Okay, this one has a negative slope, so if it's going from left to right down, the slope is negative. So anytime from left to right down, it's negative. And you can look at the graph and say, okay, it's down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1. So the slope is negative 1. It also shows you the point for A is 1, 2. The point for B is 3, 0. So plug in 0, 3, and plug in 2, 1, and you get your negative 1 for the slope. So you can find the slope using the slope equation. You can find it looking at the graph. Lots of different ways to find the slope. And then undefined is if your line is straight up and down. So, and in this slope equation, there's a 0 on the bottom of it. So anytime you have a straight up and down line, your slope will be undefined. Hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions.